Yes sir, rise and grind. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Got a Dodge Ram 2017. This is a Tradesman 5.7. Doing a water pump on it. 2017. That's a brand new water pump. Thermostat as well. Got to replace the housing, thermostat housing on it as well. But we'll go ahead and knock this out. Show you how we're gonna do this. Got our Xerox coolant. All right, first thing I did, I took off the top radiator hose, pulled those out. Took off that radiator hose. Remove that. Now, you would need to drain your coolant. Got a 13 mil on this side, and we got one on the other side. Both of those out. Undo that. Alright, that fan has to come off with it, with that fan shroud. And then we clear. You want to remove your belt. In order to do so, you want to release the tension. Here's your belt tensioner. You want to put a 3/8 ratchet in that and counterclockwise push down on it, release the tension, remove the belt. Once we get the belt off, you want to remove that tensioner. It's a 16 mil bolt. Then you want to focus on your hoses, your lower radiator hose, the oil cooler hose that's connected to the thermostat, and the other two hoses over here to your left. Next, remove all your bolts holding the water pump in, the 13 millimeter bolts. 13 mil, take that off, and then you'll be able to get that other bolt out from back there. Sensor, temp sensor, remove that harness. You got that bolt there, another 13 mil. It's a bracket in front of the water pump. Looks like they want you to take this bolt off too. Now that bolt was the only bolt that turned it to this is a size 15. It goes right there. Alright, we got the grip with the chain on it. We want to put that on there and turn it to your right to loosen it. Got all the bolts in place. Mix them up because they are different sizes. Alright, once you get that fan off, go ahead and put that gasket in there, a new one, and reinstall. Get that old one, put it on the new. Alright, those two bolts hold the thermostat in. And we gotta remove this nipple here for that hose to go back on there, and take out that Allen key on a new one. This H6, it's gonna get that out so we can put that sensor or that coolant, this piece back in there. Everything is together. All right. Go ahead and replace it.